Hi, I'm Jay. I made this for my son using MDF, some casting resin, and spray paint, and of course, a computer-controlled router. I'll show you how I did it. In the first 3 videos, you saw how I did the digital design and converted that to something that my mill could use and then cut out the part. Now we're going to do the hand finishing. Alright, so after you get your part off the 3D milling machine, if you have tabs, you're going to have to cut the tabs to get the part out. And if you've cut tabs off, you're going to have to file or sand or both to get the thing nice and smooth. After you have the part nice and smooth, you're going to want to paint it. I just used a matte black, but you could use something else. Now, this casting resin cures to white. I chose that because I couldn't find any locally available white tint. You can get clear resin with white tint to get a white effect, but I chose white casting resin. So the white's pretty easy. You just mix the resin together. Because I don't have any tint in it, you can see the color change when it's fully mixed. You pour it in, it solidifies and hardens to a nice white color. It worked out great. The red tint I got from Smooth Iron. It's called So Strong Tint, and when you mix it in with your casting resin, it kind of hides the color change when it's fully mixed. So I had to just do this by timing and experience. The first time I messed it up. So you have to mix it enough, and when you feel it warming up, you know it's mixed enough and it's time to pour it in. It looks black here. It's really more of a dark reddish. It's just the black in the background. But when it solidifies, the white mixes with the red tint and you get this nice bright red tint. I hope you enjoyed watching how I did this. Hopefully you learned something from it, and hopefully it inspired you to do something like it. But the videos make it look easy. It's not. I messed up the design files the first time I did it, and had to recut another one. I messed up the resin pour the first time I tried tinting the resin, had to make another one. So 3rd time's the charm.